This class is a introduction to welding class. It's entry level. We offer welding 2 and a practicum, which is basically welding 3. There's about 5 different processes that the students learn. The main one is shielded metal arc welding, which is the most common type of welding out there that's done outside, inside, everywhere. Industry requires that type of welding because it's the most widely used.
This class teaches me how to prep the metal, how to level it, how to do the cutting right. It teaches you a lot about how the arc and the puddle, you should be watching the puddle while you're welding. What's different, like check the amperage, check your arc length. The favorite part is being able to help around doing projects like barbecues or help for I-beams. They got me build parts for I-beams too.
It gives them a very good skill set to be able to earn an honest living. We offer an AWS D9.1, which is a sheet metal code certification. It's the American Welding Society, that's what AWS stands for, is a world-renowned society having to do with all welding throughout the world. And their certifications are the same ones that any adult would have to pass out there trying to get a job. So they leave here without really having to go to a post-secondary school. They can go straight into the workforce, get a job, present their qualifications to the employer, and that employer can look up all of the different specifications that the student has on their record. What I would tell young students interested in coming to these classes is it gives you the opportunity to work with your hands, to be creative, a skill that not a lot of people know how to do. And once you master it, it's very rewarding.